everybody, welcome to Berlin's Allied Museum in Zehlendorf. My name is Andrea, born and raised in Berlin, 5th generation Berliner, and I want to share with you one of my favorite objects here in the permanent exhibit, which is a miniature model 1:500 of the West power plant in Siemensstadt, which used to be the former British sector. Yes, this is a small tiny power plant as we see this here with the Spree River, a train connection from Ruhleben. We have the coal storage here run by coal, rendering electricity to the city of Berlin. This place became super important during the Berlin airlift 48-49, when not only land and waterways, postal connections and what have you were disbanded for the city of Berlin, but also electricity ceased to exist for the 2.5 million Berliners in the western portion of the city. And of course, by that time, it was important that this would run on. Berliners had been on a limit of using electricity for 2 hours at night. So by spring 48, the permission was given by the Brits to rebuild this from wartime pebble. It was in ruins by the summer of 45. And already by fall of 48, when Berlin airlift had set in, it was ready to go. However, there were still tons of utensils, facilities for the interior, for installations, waiting in storage in West Germany to be added to the plant here on site. Lucius D. Clay, Commander-in-Chief of the American Forces, personally saw to it that 510 flights of the Berlin airlift were used to bring over 1,400 tons of material to the city of Berlin, screw by screw, piecing this power plant together so that it was up and running by December 49. December 1st, 49 was the date when the groundbreaking really took place. It was actually given back to full functioning, 100%, to the city of Berlin, bringing electricity, and was there when the Second Berlin crisis set in 52, when the Soviets again suspended electricity from the city of Berlin. And from 52 all the way to reunification, Berlin West became an electrical island, so to speak, completely cut off from the European power grid, which was something that at the time was hardly thinkable that something like this would ever happen. So Berlin was on its own. It was actually sold to Vattenfall Consortium, and the Vattenfall Consortium put an end to the use of this in October 2019. When you come to the city, don't only come here to watch the model, but also go visit the historic place. Thank you.